Calibrating the PUBG server timeout can help improve your gaming experience by ensuring a stable connection. Follow these steps to adjust the server timeout settings effectively. Step 1. Access game settings. Open PUBG and navigate to the main menu. Click on the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol, to access the game settings. Step 2. Locate network settings. Within the settings menu, look for the network or connection tab. This section contains options related to your internet connection and server settings. Step 3. Adjust timeout settings. Find the option for server timeout or connection timeout. Adjust the value according to your preference. Typically increasing it can help with connection stability. Step 4. Save changes. After adjusting the timeout settings, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Apply button at the bottom of the settings menu. Step 5. Restart the game. Close PUBG and restart it to ensure that the new settings take effect. This will help you confirm if the changes have improved your connection stability. By following these steps, you can calibrate the server timeout settings in PUBG for a better gaming experience. Enjoy your game.